Hi everyone, I'm going to run through really quickly what to do next week for the census drops and the final grades. If you open up the OneDrive attendance, we're going to use this sheet to work on those. I did the first drops. You can see I used the numbers here for Census 1. Anyone who had a 0 was dropped. You're going to do the same thing for Census 2. You can scroll all the way through to get to the Census 2 spot. Anyone who still has a 0 for Census 2, they are going to be dropped. So for example, this person here, no hours in Census 2, so they're going to be dropped there. Make a note of that the day that it was dropped. That would be great. Census 2 is actually on July 13th, so all drops have to be done Monday, July 12th by 12 o'clock. Anyone who's working on Monday, make sure that immediately you're putting in the attendance. And if you guys can wait till later in the afternoon, that would be great, just so we get everyone a chance to get attendance if they need to. But again, anyone with those 0 hours for Census 2 are going to be dropped. Here's another one right here. 0 hours, this person will be dropped. If they have any hours at all for Census 2, you can leave them where they are in class. For the final grading, that can be done after Census 2, which will be on July 14th. We can wait one day. Let's see if I can find one. So for example, if we have a grade here, letter A, he will obviously not be dropped. He has hours for Census 2, but on July 14th, we can final grade him and he will be out of the class. We're going to continue to keep attendance for the rest of the semester, and we'll use the total hours to give to the CASAS people. So continue to keep doing the attendance. But again, you will be assigned a class. I've indicated that in the email. And I'm also going to make a note here by the class name. It'll be the teacher's name who's doing it. You'll just be responsible for one. So Monday, you will do the final drops. Use the Census 2 row, anyone with a 0 drop, and then on July 14th, after the census, you can do all the final grades for your class. And from here on out, any teacher can post a final grade whenever the student gets it. Thanks so much. Let me know if you have any questions.